students, welcome back. Welcome to the Abacus classes. I am your Abacus teacher, Miss Garima Singh. So welcome back kids. I hope you all remember the small friends which I have make you learn in my previous videos. So kids, one more time we will revise the small friends. I have told you that 1 is the friend of 4 and 4 is the friend of 1. And I have also told you that 2 is the friend of 3 and 3 is the friend of 2. The small friends you have to learn. And how you will learn? You will learn with the help of fingers. See, 1 is the friend of 4 and 4 is the friend of 1. Same way 2 is the friend of 3 and 3 is the friend of 2. So this way you will learn with the help of fingers the small friends. So now students, our today's topic is plus 4. Now plus 4 in small friends. See kids, in my previous videos I have told you that 1 is the friend of 4 and 4 is the friend of 1. If I will be the friend of yours, then you will be the friend of me. Same way, if 1 will be the friend of 4, अगर 1 4 का friend है, तो 4 1 का friend होगा. Okay? So, in our today's topic, which is add plus 4, we will do the sums related to 4. Yes, we will get the sums in which we have to add 4. हमें ऐसे sums मिलेंगे जिसमें हमें 4 ऐड करना होगा. And bead will not be there. Bead नहीं होगी. So we will use the small friends in this method. Okay kids? So let's start with our first sum. The students who don't know how to add, how to subtract, please go through my previous videos first and then watch this video. Kids, in my old videos explained you that how you will add any number, how you will subtract any number. The kids who are directly watching this video, they will not understand it. First of all, learn how to add and subtract in abacus and then come to this video. So kids, this is our first sum. As you all know, it will go in ones rod or you can say this units rod. Here I have drawn the abacus tool for you. Always you know that this is units rod and this is tens rod. In these two rods only we do our abacus. Students, those who don't have abacus tool at your homes, please either buy the tool or you can make this tool at your home also. As you can see that we don't use the whole tool. We only use these two rods and these some beads. So you can make this tool at your home also with the help of a matchbox. So kids, let's start with our first sum. First of all, we have to add 2. Now add 2 in units rod. See, 2 means put the 2 beads up. So 1, 2. 2 beads up. Now this is done. As you know how to add we put the beads up. Now the second is you have to add 4. आपको 4 ऐड करना है. But you can see that the bead is not there. आप देख सकते हैं कि bead नहीं है. So in my last video also I have explained you that whenever you have to add any number and the bead is not there, the first number which you will add is 5. Yes. See here 5. So what was the process? The process was add 5, subtract the friend. Add 5, subtract the friend. So here you have to add 4. But the bead is not there. So what you will do? First of all, you will add 5. And then you will subtract the friend. Now who is the friend of 4? See there. Who is the friend of 4? 1. So you will subtract 1. Now kids, when you will do the PDF related to this video, then you will always get lack of 4. आपको हमेशा क्वेश्चंस में 4 की कमी होगी. So there you have to do first of all +5. वहां पर आप जब भी आपको 4 की कमी होगी, there will be lack of 4 bead. So you will do first of all +5 and -1. +5 -1. Okay. So you have to add 4 and the bead is not there. So first of all add 5. Add it. Very good. And then subtract the friend. Now who is the friend of 4? See there, who is the friend of 4? 1. So subtract 1. And nothing you have to do. Your 4 is added. Now for adding 4 kids, what you have done? Add 5, subtract the 1. Means add 5, subtract the friend. Now who is the friend of 4? The friend of 4 is 1. So you have to add 5, subtract 1. So I have added 5, subtracted 1 and your 4 is added. Now next you have to add 3. Now see 3 beads are there. You can add directly. 1, 2, 3. 3 beads I have added. Now this is also done. Now count. See 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is your answer. See, some kids will think that this is a very small sum. This sum we can do orally also. Yes kids, you can do orally. This method I am explaining you first of all in small sums. Because if you can apply the method, the small friends in small sums, then only you can apply them in the lengthy ones. अगर आप small sums में इस method को सीखेंगे, then only आप lengthy sums में इस method को कर पाएंगे. So first of all, try this method in small sums, then go for the lengthy sums. Now this is the first sum. Now we will move to our second sum. You will get it more. Your second sum is 9 minus 8, 4. Now as you all know, our first rod will go in ones rod. Okay. Now first of all add 9. Now 9, you know how to add 9. You will take the help of 5. Now first of all add 5. And then 4. Because 9 is a combination of 5 and 4. 6, 7, 8, 9. See 5 and 4 makes 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is done. Now minus 8. See minus 8. For minus 8, we have to first of all minus 5. Be careful with the sign kids. Now for minus 8, first of all we will minus 5. See 5. Now it's 8. See 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to minus 3 also. 1, 2, 3. See 1, 2, 3. You can count it now. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this we have done. We have subtracted it. Now the last we have to add 4. You can see here it's 4. Now kids, just see here. Do you have 4 beads? See, you have 1, 2, 3. You have only 3 beads and you have to add 4. Now this is a situation where you have to add 4 and the bead is not there. आपको 4 add करना है and bead नहीं है. So here you will use this small friends method. Yes. Now to add 4, first of all you have to add 5. This we have done in our previous question also. So for adding 4, अगर आपको 4 add करना है and bead नहीं है, there is no bead, so you will add 5 and then you subtract the friend. आप फ्रेंड को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. So here first of all add 5. Added. Now subtract the friend. Now who is the friend of 4? See 1. So subtract 1. And your 4 is added. Nothing you have to do now. Kids, don't get confused. Yes, some students are not getting this method because you are thinking that after adding 5 and subtracting 1, how 4 can add it. See, 5 minus 1 is 5 minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. So, if you will add 5 and subtract 1, 4 will itself get added. Nothing you have to do after it. For practicing it properly, just play my video and put the tool in front of you and do with me. It's the best method to learn abacus. Now, we have completed this sum. Now count the beads. It's 5. And this is your answer. Now students, after this question, we will move to a lengthy sum, which is your third sum. Now kids, it's your third sum. I have set the abacus. See, upper beads up and lower beads down. Now, as you know, our first rod will go in ones and our second is will go in tens. See, ones and tens. Ones you can say units rod also. Now, first of all, put the numbers in the rod. See, first of all, there is 1. So, put 1 in ones rod. 1 means you have to add 1, put the bead up. Now, second is 3. Means you have to add 3. So, 1, 2 and 3 we will add in our tens rod. See, 1, 2, 3. Done kids? I hope you are doing this sum with me. Very nice. Now this is completed. Now next you have to add 4. Now you can see kids that you have to add 4 in one's rod here. But the bead is not there. See, 1, 2, 3 beads are there. So what you will do now? Same, when there is lack of bead, you take the help of small friends method. So first of all, for adding 4 ऐड करने के लिए आप सबसे पहले ऐड करेंगे 5. For adding 4, first of all you have to add 5. आप 5 को ऐड करेंगे and then subtract the friend. Now who is the friend of 4? The friend of 4 is 1. So subtract 1. Now for adding this 4, first of all I have to add 5. Yes. Now subtract the friend. Now who is the friend of 4? The friend of 4 is 1. So subtract 1. Means whenever you get lack of bead and 4 bead. Means कभी भी आपको bead की कमी हो और किस bead की कमी हो? 4 bead की कमी हो. So first of all you have to add 5 and subtract the friend. And who is the friend? 1. So add 5, subtract 1. Add 5, subtract 1. Now your 4 is added. Nothing you have to do. You have added 5, subtracted 1. Now you have to do minus 5. See, just be careful with the sign. Minus 5 means you have to subtract 5. So subtract 5. 5 I have put it back. Now the last is you have to add 4. Now students, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 beads are there. So no need of using the small friends. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं small friends को use करने की. Because bead is there. So you have to add 4. So add 4. See 1, 2, 3, 4. Added 4. Means if there is the bead, अगर bead है, so there is no need of using the small friends. Directly you can add or subtract your number. Now sum is completed. Now what is the answer? Kids, don't forget to count the tens rod, because here you have added one number in tens rod. So 1, 2, 3, and here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 34 is your answer. I hope students you get this. Just move to our last sum, which is our fourth sum. Now kids, this is your fourth sum and the last sum. As you all know, this will go in ones rod and this will go in tens rod. Now kids, you can see that in your ones rod all are zeros. So you can put the sum directly on the tool. Means if you will add the 0 in ones rod, so 0 means nothing. Then here also you will add the 0 in ones rod, so 0 means nothing. So you can put these numbers directly in the tens rod, like I am doing. See, first of all you have to add 10. Whole number you can take at a time. Now 10, you know that tens rod, one bead is 10. Tens rod में एक bead की value कितनी होती है? 10 होती है. So directly you can do add 10 in tens rod. This 10 in tens rod. Now you can see kids, if you will add like this, like 0 in ones rod, 1 in tens rod, so then also the answer will be same. So you can put the numbers directly as 10 in tens rod. Now the second is you have to add 40. Now for adding 40, see 40 means 10, 20, 30, 40. But here is 10, 20, 30. Only 30 beads are there and you have to add 40. Now for 40, see here, I have written. You have to add first of all 50. Here you are adding first of all 5. So here you have to add first of all 50. So add 50. Add 50 and then you have to subtract the friend. Now who is the friend of 40? See 10. So subtract 10. I have added 50 and subtracted 10. This question you can do like this also, as I am doing by using that, and single also you can use, like add 5 minus 1. This also you can use. Now the next, this I have done and this also completed. For 40, what I have done? Added 50 and minus 10, because 10 is the friend of 40. Now next you have to add 20. So 20 you can add directly, 10, 20. This is also done. Now again add 20. So add 20 means add 20 beads, put 20 beads up. Added. Now what is the answer, see kids? See 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. The answer is 90. And you can add like this also, like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And nothing means 0. So 90 is the answer. Both the methods you can use. So kids, in our today's topic, we have learned that how to add 4 when the bead is not there. हम 4 कैसे ऐड करेंगे जब बीड नहीं होगी. And for adding 4, we have used the small friends. And what is the method? Add 5 minus 1. So kids, I hope you get this today's method. With this video, I have given you one PDF. In that PDF, there are the questions related to this topic. Do that PDF in your abacus notebook and students do a neat and tidy work. So kids, just learn these small friends because it's a main part of this method. And make sure you watch every single video and stay tuned to my video to learn more concepts and tricks. Thank you.